Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I bought myself a chair blind with the hope that I could get closer shots of the birds that hang out in my yard. And I learned a valuable lesson about setting up next to the water sprinklers on day one. And even with the camo, my buddy Two Ticks the squirrel and this little fella were on to me, but I stuck with it. So, stay tuned. I also got a lot of shots of much smaller birds, wrens, phoebes, and birds like that. And I have an eastern bluebird that shows up occasionally. I'm on the hunt for him every evening, and I hope to get more shots of him for the next bird video. So please check back in the next few weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop me a like, and see you next time.